Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting the Sri Krishna Mutt in Udupi in Karnataka, where he's participating in the Lakshkant Gita Parayan program. He is accompanied by top seers of the temple. Remember, this holds a lot of significance. It is an 800-year-old temple. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also to inaugurate the Suvarna Tirth Mantap located in front of the Krishna sanctum and dedicate the Kanak Kavach for the sacred Kanakan Kindi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to also deliver an address shortly, and we'll cut across to it. But at the moment you're witnessing this program, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Sri Krishna Mutt, that holds a lot of historic significance. It is an 800-year-old mutt. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had also put out that special message, a tweet on post X, where he said, I am honored to be visiting Sri Krishna Mutt in Udupi to take part in the Lakshkant Gita Parayan program. This is the special gathering that brings together people from different sections of the society for a recital of the Gita. Now remember, over 1 lakh devotees who would be reciting the Gita as part of this program. In that post, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also mentioned that this mutt has a lot of special significance in our cultural lives.
संभवामि युगे युगे परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां तादृश संदेशं नरेंद्र मोदी महोदयः निष्पक्षपातरूपेण सज्जनानां रक्षणं दुष्टानां शिक्षणं च कुर्वन् वर्तते। अतः श्रीकृष्णस्य अनुग्रहः विशेषरूपेण भवतु, धर्मद्वारा जगद्रक्षणं विश्वनायकस्य भवतु इति वयम् आशास्महे। अस्माकं पर्यायः विश्वगीता पर्यायः। विश्वगीता पर्याये विश्वनायकः आगतः इति सार्थकम् इति अस्माकम् आशयः वर्तते। तादृश नरेंद्र मोदी महोदय द्वारा धर्मरक्षणं भवतु इति अस्माभिः प्रार्थना क्रियते। शास्त्रे धर्मो रक्षति रक्षितः इति घोषणं कृतम्। अस्माभिः मोदी रक्षति रक्षितः। यदि मोदी रक्षितः धर्मः देशः रक्षितः। मोदी हस्ते समग्र विश्वं सुरक्षितं वर्तते इति अस्माकं भावना। तादृश अनुग्रहः श्रीकृष्णस्य अनुग्रहः भवतु इति प्रार्थनां कृत्वा नरेंद्र मोदी महोदयस्य अस्मिन् दिवसे श्रीकृष्ण अनुग्रह रूपेण एकं प्रशस्तिं वयं ददामः। भारत भाग्यविधाता, भारत भाग्यविधाता। अस्माकं नरेंद्र महोदयः भारत भाग्यविधाता इति बिरुदु समर्पणेन विशेष श्रीकृष्णानुग्रहं वयं प्रार्थयामः। अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे उडुपी क्षेत्रस्यापि अभिवृद्धिः भवतु। यथा वाराणसी कॉरिडोर आसीत्, एवं उडुपी कॉरिडोर अपि भवतु। श्रीकृष्णस्य क्षेत्रस्य अभिवृद्धिः भवतु इति वयं आशास्महे।
And there you see all that is happening on the dais. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, part of this program, Vishwa Gita Parayan, where over 1 lakh devotees have gathered, and together they will be reciting the Gita. Shortly from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also expected to deliver an address. Like I was saying, ahead of attending this program, he had also posted on X that he's honored to be visiting Sri Krishna Mutt in Udupi to take part in the Lakshkanta Gita Parayan program, a special gathering that brings together people from different sections of the society for a recital of the Gita. This mutt has special significance in our cultural lives, inspired by Sri Madhavacharya. It has been at the forefront of serving society. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, a part of this program, gracing it with his presence. And remember, security has been heightened. More than 3,000 police personnel who have been put on the ground. As we say with these pictures, Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the top seer of Sri Krishna Mutt as he puts that shawl around Prime Minister Narendra Modi in this special welcome. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who offered prayers at the Sri Krishna Mutt, and part of ritual of this historic temple, where they are now tying the sacred thread around Prime Minister Narendra Modi's wrist as he was welcomed with that shawl. You hear the reverberating chants of the Gita, and over 1 lakh devotees who've gathered there.
हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के हस्तों में अब सम्मान
भारत भाग्य विधाता, बोलो भारत माता की।
भगवान कृष्ण का चित्रपट
There you hear loud chants of the Bhagavad Gita that are being recited by over 1 lakh devotees who gathered in huge numbers. Prime Minister received that very special welcome, and as part of the rituals, Prime Minister Narendra Modi with top seers of the Sri Krishna Mutt, who are now giving him that special gada that is part of this temple. There you see men and women gathering in huge numbers, and Prime Minister, as they put a pagdi on his head as a mark of respect.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಪ್ರಧಾನವಾದ ಘಟ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿಶ್ವ ನಾಯಕರಾದಂತಹ